went ahead and made a test. I don't know what you want to call it. Anyway, piece of wood cut with a channel on the top, channel on the side, and then a channel on the bottom. Get focus. Jigsaw, circular saw, router table, and 3 router bits. I used a 1/4 inch straight for the window. I used this half round, 3/16 half round, and that is for the track. It goes around the side and the top. And then I use this section of the 3/8 round over for the part that goes around the plastic exhaust air vent. Alright, here's an example of a piece of wood that I used the router bits on. So this is the top channel and the side channel. Then this one here is the channel for the window.